Now that we know how we can add and how we can delete it, it's time for us to also fix our update method also. In here, first we have to check that if the image exists, then we have to delete the old image. Otherwise, then after that, add the new image. So for that, here again, after the fetching the record, we will check the request if the image is available or if a user have uploaded a new image. So for that, we will type request has file, same thing that we wrote in the create method. So if a request has an image, and then check that our record has also an image, which means old image. So then let's check if brand, if item image, if the record had an old image, then we are going to delete that by typing storage colon disk public and delete the item image. Now after the image has been deleted, we want to store the new image. So again we will create a new variable with the name of path and set it to request file image and store it again inside the brands folder, which is inside the public. Okay, let's add the semicolon. Now in here, let's add our path as an empty string, and inside our image item image is equal to the new path of the file. That's it, everything is set. Okay, let's go and edit a record. So let's edit the first record. Edit, upload an image. This time let's upload this image and click save. Okay, it has been uploaded successfully. Now if I go here, we can see our new image and also inside the edit. And if I go to the index page, refresh, now here also I can see my image. So this is how we can upload or delete our images inside the Laravel.